Yo guys, first things first, Nike had to do something. Like, it was in dire need that Nike Jordan Brand did something, because this month of June was extremely dry and they hit us with a shock drop little restock Jordan Reserve over the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, one of my favorite sneakers this year, and I still label them the best sneaker of 2023. And the Air Jordan 5 UNCs, man, super clean. And this is a limited Jordan Reserve, a limited restock. And we're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo guys, if you are new to the channel, man, first things first, sub up, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we got rolling in. Tomorrow's the day. That's all I'm gonna say. Tomorrow, stay tuned. We got something crazy for you guys. I'm gonna just leave that right there, man. And right now, down below in the comment section, please let me know if you hit on this restock on the Nike SNKRS app. I'm very interested in knowing, like I said, limited shock drop restock, whatever you want to call it, Jordan Reserve. There's a lot of different names getting floated around from today's drop on the Nike SNKRS app. So please let me know right now in the comment section what you hit on. Did you double up on both pairs? You only get one out of two? Let us know something down below in the comment section. So like I said, Nike had to do something. I think the only shoe that dropped, I don't even know what dropped this month. Like, that's how many sneakers I haven't bought. You know, I'm usually buying a shoe every other weekend, if not every weekend. And this month of June, they didn't really have nothing for us. So I went back and got some grails. I got two pairs. Shouts out to the homie Ryan guys. So I can't wait to get them in hand, break them down for you guys, because it was a much needed pair to have back in the collection. But that's neither here nor there. Like I said, it was no drops this month. And I even mentioned in one of my earlier videos this month, I said, Jordan, Nike, they have to have something up their sleeve. It gotta be a restock. It gotta be a Jordan Reserve, because we usually do get them quarterly. We got one earlier this year. We probably got two this year. I think we had a Jordan 1 Reserve and then a regular Jordan Reserve. And now that we're at the mid-year mark, they had to hit us with something, man. And Nike never sells all their pairs. I know a lot of people always think that, you know, once it says sold out on the SNKRS app or on Nike, they think the pairs are gone, but they're not. It's still a lot more pairs floating around all over the world that they probably have stashed away for days like this, months like this, where it's been really dry. Nike probably ain't getting a lot of sales going on. So say, you know what? Let's hit them with the Jordan of the year, being the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. I think it's a good idea, you know what I'm saying? I think it was 39,000 pairs of these that dropped today, and I think it was 29,000 pairs of the Air Jordan 5 UNCs. So like I said, limited restock that they did. So I want to know, you know, who hit on this joint. Like me, I took an L. I'm gonna leave that up there, leave it up front. Your boy just took an L, because you guys know I have two pairs of these joints. Maybe they say, you know what, he hit on the first shock drop, he hit on the actual drop day, and we're not gonna give him a third pair. But it would have been super dope if I did, you know, triple up on these things, because I think later down the line, the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined would definitely go up in resale value. Right now, they're sitting around $210, $220, $230 in most sizes. So if you still do not have a pair, you got this little, you know, restock today, it's best for you to cop them now. It's probably the last time you might hear of the Air Jordan 3s dropping again. It might be small restocks in people's local areas, like sneaker stores and stuff like that. As far as Nike dropping them again, I don't see that happening, but you just never know, because we got something from Nike today. But like, it's the best time to buy, man. It's the best time to buy the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, and it's been a good time to buy the Air Jordan 5 UNCs. So let's go ahead and head over to StockX real quick. I just want to check, peep what the resale is hitting for. Let's go ahead and go to White Cement Reimagined, and for a size 9, it actually went up. I did not know the resale hiked up. They was going for like right around retail when I checked like a month or two ago. And then even after this little restock, they're still going for $247 in my size, which is kind of high. Like, I think that is kind of high for a shoe that released this year. It was a mass produced sneaker. I didn't expect it to be this high, but like I said, it's starting to trend up. So buy these joints now. I'm telling y'all, do not wait, don't sleep. Don't think it's gonna be another crazy restock like we've seen today. Just pay the $250, you know what I'm saying? If you gotta buy them used, go to GOAT, you know what I'm saying? Copy a pair for around $230, $240, so you can have a pair in the collection. Cause I'm telling you right now, it might be a tough battle from a lot of people, depending on what's the best sneaker of the year, like the Air Jordan 4 SBs, or the Air Jordan 3 White Cement. I think it's gonna definitely be the Reimagined Air Jordan 3. And then checking out the Air Jordan 5 UNCs on StockX right now. They're going for the low. They're going for the low ski. $194 right there, as you guys see. I put a little screenshot up here, but the prices is not that high on these. When you get to the bigger sizes, like size 12, size 14, 13, that's all going for like $270, $280. And that's not even including shipping, you know, the fees and all that good stuff. So if you want these as well, if you didn't hit today, go ahead and cop them now. It's probably the last time we see 30,000 pairs of these getting restocked on the Nike SNKRS app. Honestly, with the low numbers that did restock today, I honestly would suggest you guys to get them. And that's why I keep saying to buy them now, because if they only did 30,000, you know, 26,000 for either other pair, I don't think that we will see something like this again. It's always nice for Nike to do, you know, small restocks and stuff like that, especially around times like this where your boy ain't bought a pair all month. If you guys bought a pair of sneakers, please let me know down below in the comment section. Y'all know me myself, I haven't bought anything. Like I'm talking about, I don't even remember the last thing I bought. I think the last shoe I bought for retail is the Yeezys on Yeezy Day, and that was on the last day of May. So like June been dry for your boy is crazy. So like I said, you guys please let me know down below in the comment section if you did hit on this restock today, this Jordan Reserve. Much needed. I'm kind of happy, you know what I'm saying, especially for me as a content creator. Gives us something to talk about. Come to the, you know, community, to our followers, our supporters, to see, you know, what's going on with you guys in cop. So it's a super exciting day. Happy Nike did something for us, man. So please drop those comments down below. It's gonna be people coming to the video, seeing who got lucky on hitting on the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined or the Air Jordan 5 UNCs. Like I said, tomorrow is a day I got something special for you guys. I cannot wait to show y'all, break them down. I'm just super excited to see what we got early in, so I'm gonna leave that right there. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. Leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, helps put us in the algorithm. And like I said, we're talking about Jordan Reserve from Nike SNKRS app. Much needed in my opinion from Jordan Brand. Again guys, I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tapping in, and make sure that notification bell is hit. Tomorrow we got something special for y'all. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.